Hi, this is Patrik from PS Bike Book. I made this rather simple video to show how I care for the chain on my bike when riding on gravel or off-road. Dust and dirt, both summer and winter time, get stuck on the chain lubricant and will lower the lifetime of the chain and sprockets. Also, wintertime, there might be salt on the road and it needs to be cleaned off the chain. I usually put some protection under the bike to not get oil on the floor. And normally I also use rubber gloves, but today I'm out of them. Every third time, or if I ride in the winter, I take the chain and sprocket protection off to do a better job. There's often a lot of dirt and a paste of old chain lubricant and dust under the protectors. The forward and the back gear protector are easy loosened with 3 screws each. Remember to not misplace any of the screws. To clean the chain, I use lamp oil. This I got as a tip by an enduro mechanic. It's not only clean the dirt and dust off, it also don't dry out the O-rings on the chain, but instead it lubricates the chain. Also, take the opportunity to check the chain slack as well. To clean the chain, I start with apply the lamp oil with a round brush. I do this carefully and make sure to use a lot of oil and work the dirt off. I spend several minutes doing this. After I also wait a few minutes to let the oil do its job. When it's wiping time, I start back and run the wheel to clean the chain and sprockets. And I do the same and hold the towel around the chain and let the chain run. Make sure you not change the direction of the chain as you risk damage your fingers towards the sprockets when doing this. This is also why I never hold around the chain upper part, but in the lower running section, as the direction not move my fingers towards the sprockets. After, I take the opportunity to clean the parts I could not reach without to take the chain protectors off. When you're finally done cleaning, you need to spray your chain with new lubricant. I use the Castrol chain spray as it stays on the chain and give a good protection on the surface. After I'm done with the chain, I brush the inner side of the protectors with the brush. Usually I don't need to use any cleaning product on the inside. Then I clean the outside and spray the screws with WD-40. I also spray the screw holes with WD-40 and put all the protectors back. The best appearance of a BMW GS, in my opinion, is a bike covered in mud with a well-maintained chain. Thank you for watching and see you all on the roads.